Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Paige Sechler. If you are new here, welcome. I have been vlogging the whole home renovation process on my channel. There's a playlist if you want to go check it out. We have done our living room. We vlogged the living room and the entryway. Well, we vlogged the whole moving in process in general. Vlogged what we did to the kitchen. The kitchen is not done. We just did enough to like make it okay, like livable for us right now. We did our bedroom, I vlogged that. I didn't vlog the hallway and I didn't vlog us doing this room because honestly the reason I didn't vlog is because I did most of it myself. My husband was on night shift and so it was just kind of one of those things like I picked up just for something to do. But I did like a before and after reel on my Instagram and so many people loved it. I have like 7,000 views on that reel, which is a lot for me because I don't have a whole ton of subscribers. Anyway, I figured since I didn't show you the renovation process, I can give you an office tour. So I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's go. So when you first walk in, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go in here and shut the door. We painted these doors. I don't think I showed that in any of my vlogs. We end goal are going to get new doors. Like you can see, it's still a little patchy. In real life, it's way, way worse. But eventually we would like to get all new doors. So this is just the temporary thing. We also painted our doorknobs. We were like totally renovating on a budget at this point. But we also put these two little hooks here to hang my robes. And honestly, this usually has like extra hangers on it that like come out of my closet because I hate having like extra hangers. That is what we're working with here. And then once you spin around, we have the closet doors there. You can kind of see that the paint is a little patchy. Again, we want to get all new closet doors eventually also. My closet is nothing spectacular. Honestly, it's probably a mess, so don't judge me, but I will show you. I have a pretty large closet in my office. We don't have a proper master, so this is my closet. My clothes are a wreck, but I keep things folded up there, and then I just have like little totes of clothes down there. So this is like where all my clothes, like this is like my office slash get ready room pretty much. So over here we have my desk. This is from Big Lots. I looked for the link, couldn't find it. I've had it for about... I had it in my first apartment. If you guys followed me in my first apartment, you were the real MVPs. It's been about 4 years now that I've had this desk, and this mirror is also from Big Lots. I got them at the same time. I absolutely love it. But like on this side, I keep all of my makeup. I did not clean this for the sake of this video. I didn't clean anything for the sake of this video. And then on this side, I keep all of my office supplies. So I kind of have the best of both worlds with this desk. Accomplish everything I need to. I don't know where this chair is and I don't love this chair. It's comfortable, don't get me wrong. She's not the aesthetic that we are going for, but Max got this when he was in college, so we just use it because we didn't want to buy a new one. Again, mirror is from Big Lots. Love it, gets the job done. Has gone from every single place I've ever moved with me. I got it from my apartment, so it was my apartment, our old house, and this house. Love it, same with the desk. I'm trying to make sure I answer all these questions that you guys would have. We have a little trash can down here. Got that from Target. I do keep my makeup brushes and my mirror over there. We just hung this little plant. I know I need like those little rings that will like bring him farther down. But it is, oh, I don't remember what it's called. I'm terrible with plant names, but eventually she will grow and kind of sprout down. But she's new. We just repotted her and hung her up there. This little organizer is, oh my gosh, one of the Alex drawers from IKEA. I got this from my cousin Molly and Josh, actually. They were getting rid of it and I was like, wait, that's my vibe. Like that would bring it together. So this is where I keep a little bit of everything. It is messy. I will show you for the sake of this video. So in here I keep all of my supplements, my vitamins, my makeup removers, skincare items, all of that good stuff. This one I'm not going to open because it has a lot of personal like financial things in, bank information and stuff. This one I keep all of my hair things in. Like I said, I get ready in this room, so all my hot tools, hairbrushes, products go in here. And then these bottom two are just like random makeup things that I don't really use that really need organized. Like I rarely reach for these things. Occasionally I will, but Not a ton. Sorry, I should probably flip that over up here. I just keep like my most used things. So iPad, my planner. Love this planner. If you guys have never heard of it, it's called Me Goals, like MI Goals. Absolutely love that planner. What else do we have? This little organizer I've had since I graduated high school. My friend Angie gifted it to me, but I keep all my highlighters, my favorite pens, random junk, laptop, notebooks, journal, paperwork, all that good stuff. So this is like literally where I spend 95% of my time when I'm in my office. And those haven't changed. Like I've had this set up since the old house. This, however, I just built myself. We got the shelf and the brackets from Lowe's. Actually, these little gold hooks also came from Lowe's. They didn't come together, but we bought them both, and then I mounted them the other week. We actually bought 4. I only ended up hanging 3 in our office, but then I added these little gold, let me see if it'll focus here. Okay, I think it focused a little. I added these little gold hooks here. I love to see my jewelry hanging, and I think from far away it actually looks so cute because, like I said, this is where I get ready. This is where it's at. So all of my stuff is hanging here. I also keep my Bible and my current journal up here, my YouTube book, all that good stuff. So this is easy reach. Grab it. It's on display. She matches the aesthetic. This just said Mr. and Mr. I actually just had somebody ask me this, and they were like, why does that still say Mr. and Mrs.? You guys have been married for over a year. Can't find the letters for my letterboard, so those are the only letters I have, and I guess it's staying that. I keep my little jewelry deer here. Amazon, TJ Maxx, Bed Bath & Beyond. Where did I get that at? I have no idea where that's from. Home Goods, Walmart. This little vase is from Walmart. Oh, this plant is from Walmart, and its hanger is also from Walmart. I think I'm caught up on where things are from. Okay. So that's this corner. Moving right along, we have, if you can't tell, we live in a ranch style house. That's why our windows are so high. Oh, flooring is from, the flooring is actually peel and stick flooring from the brand Traffic Master. The color is Mocha Java Ember, something Java Ember. This paint is something, I don't know. I will try to find it. You guys have asked me before. I cannot find it, so I will continue looking for it, but I love the color. It doesn't very, like, it pops with this white. I don't know what color white we used either. I'm terrible with that stuff, but yeah, moving along. Curtains actually showed in a haul video. Those are from TJ Maxx. This dresser I have had for years. My mom actually bought it when my brother still lived at home with her. It's been forever. Like, this dresser is probably like 10 plus years old and has made many moves with us. I do want to make these black eventually, just haven't gotten to it yet. Again, I want to say from Walmart. If I had to guess, I'd say this dresser is from Walmart. But up top we have these little coasters. Don't know where they're from. I got them as a wedding gift. Diffuser, got this from Target. This is what I water my plants with. I don't have a watering can, but that is also from Target. It is a glass pitcher. This plant and vase is from Walmart. This is our wedding photo album. 2 books, just nothing crazy, just cute little setup up here. And then I keep all of my other clothes in here. Like, these are shorts, leggings and sweatpants. So you can see I've been wearing a lot of sweatpants. I'm running out there. This is denims and extra accessories. And then down here in the bottom drawer are my work pants. So moving right along, we have our hamper. We're getting a cute one, looking to upgrade that soon. This guy is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I've got it quite a few years ago, probably I'd say about 4. I got it around the same time as I got my desk. This is just a faux plant. Honestly, I think it was a hand-me-down from family members, but it kind of ties the greenery all in. This is also from a gift. I think that was from my mother-in-law. I want to say TJ Maxx is where that's from. This rug is from Walmart also. I want to say it's an 8 by 7 by 4. I don't know what size it is. So yeah, that's the mirror. Moving on to the other side of the room with the window, same thing, curtains from TJ's. This shelf is actually from when I had my boutique. It's from Amazon. Love it. My sister has the other one. I usually don't have those extra hangers there, and this is like designed cute, but all these clothes that are out, I am in the process of filming a spring warm weather lookbook. So that will be coming, but that's why this isn't the cutest right now. But I do try to keep it decorated cute. Like usually there's things like that kind of all the way down, but we don't have that going on right now, so I'll go into detail about clothes in another video. This little basket has cute little, it's actually supposed to be turned, has cute leather straps. That's from Target. I just keep my printer under there because it fits perfect. And then once we go up from here, we've got my favorite little plant shelf. So all of these plants are real except for the 3 little circle pots. All of the pots and plants are from Walmart except the fake ones are from TJ Maxx. I just keep a very old Canon camera and some books up there just for some decoration. But those shelves are from Lowe's, just like the other ones. Off to this wall, it looks so empty. I'm getting 3 hats. Like I've got 2, but I need one more color, and I want to do like my hats kind of hung down through here. I don't know, this picture is like too small for the space, but she's filling the void at the moment. That is from Smallwood Homes. And then this is the futon that we have had since our old house. She is well loved. My dogs lay in the crack and you can see it's kind of wearing in. But again, it's from Walmart. I don't know that I just said that. But I like that it's got like wooden legs. I don't really love the color gray, but it kind of ties everything together. And this actually lays down as a bed in case we would need an extra bed for someone to sleep on. Pillows. These big yellow pillows are Walmart. These little yellow pillows, I want to say, are Target, but I actually thrifted them, so I'm not certain. And then the last thing is this little corner storage shelf, which actually was a gift from my Aunt Kimmy. I got it at my bridal shower. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to go in a bathroom, but it works really well here. I just keep my camera gear in this one, essential oils in that one, and just like random lint rollers and things like that in the bottom. Pretty empty actually. And a candle on top. I did have a plant up here at one point in time, but she was rehomed. So yeah. Okay guys, so that is actually all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I apologize for not vlogging the renovation process, but honestly, other than paint and floors, which you have seen us do a zillion times now, a lot of it was just decorating, and I feel like I don't know why I didn't vlog it. I just didn't. It was kind of just like came together as it came together, so I figured I would show you the done process. So if you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below to see the rest of our home renovation process. And if you want to be more up to date on what we're doing and see as things are coming together, don't forget to follow my Instagram, and you can stay up to date with my stories, my reels, my posts, and all of that good stuff. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!